In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix apps not opening on iPhone, apps crashing or refusing to open. Before you delete everything, try these 5 fixes that solve most app problems instantly. Nothing's more frustrating than an app that just won't open, especially when you really need it. But don't panic. There are some tried and true fixes that work most of the time. First, try the classic force close and reopen. Double tap your home button or swipe up from the bottom. Find the problematic app and swipe it up to close it. Then reopen it from your home screen. This clears temporary glitches about 70% of the time. If that doesn't work, restart your iPhone. Hold the power button and volume down, or just power on older phones, until you see slide to power off. Turn it off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Fresh start often fixes deeper issues. Still having problems? Check for app updates. Open the App Store, tap your profile picture, and scroll down to see pending updates. Developers constantly fix bugs, and that update might solve your exact problem. Here's something people often overlook: storage space. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. If you're almost out of space, apps can't function properly. Delete some photos or unused apps to free up space. If all else fails, delete and reinstall the app. Hold down the app icon, tap Remove App, then Delete App. Go to the App Store and download it fresh. You might lose some data, but the app should work properly. Last resort, reset all settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset, iPhone, Reset, then Reset all settings. This won't delete your data but will reset system preferences. Only do this if nothing else works. Thanks for watching.